5 minutes walk from there. I'm at the 36th street. So this is a touch screen on the street. See everything you can see over here. Okay, Volvo C40, lot of things. It's all touch screens. Okay, anyhow, this is there in India also or in Dubai and all. It's not a big thing. And I am over here right now, I think. Here what you see. Now there is a Ross over there. All this branded showroom comes over here. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Tesla, Mercedes-Benz. That's called trolley. It is free. It is totally free. Every locality in Miami has it. Ross, there what you see, the building over there. I'll go still further. All branded showroom, including Patek Philippe, the $6 million 30 crore watch. So I walked and came here. I am from India. I see a lot of people like this in the streets asking for help. I want to go this side. What is that on the board? Merry Christmas, please help me. We have one toe. You are very young. What's your age? 34. What were you working earlier? What were you working earlier?
Was I working?
What was your job earlier? Huh?
Construction.
What?
Construction.
Construction. But why are you asking for help? Will people really help you?
So-so.
Huh?
So-so.
Sometime. You are from which country?
Yeah.
Which country?
Oh, US.
You are from Miami.
I'm from Indiana.
You are from Indiana. That's your cycle.
Yeah.
Okay. But why do people get down from a car and will give you money? No one will do that. Huh?
What, they what?
No one will help you. See, they are all in the car, but no one will help you. No one will give you the money. They don't give. How long you wait here?
About 2 years.
Huh?
About 2 years.
2 years. No. How long if you wait, you get some $5.
Oh. Sometimes a couple hours, sometimes 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Sometimes.
Sometime. And how much they give you?
Depends.
Huh?
Depends. Maybe $1 or so.
$1 or something. Okay, go work. Don't ask like this. You are living in a land of opportunity. America. Have you been to other countries? You have to travel to Asia.
Yeah.
Have you been to India?
No.
Okay, you know how to speak English? You know how to read? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you my number. You contact me. I'll teach you how to do. You have a laptop.
No, but I have one in program.
You have a mobile.
Yeah.
You do you know a thing called WhatsApp?
Yeah, what's that?
You know WhatsApp. Just because you have WhatsApp, you can earn daily $100.
Yeah.
Today I've earned $100 sitting here. I'm not from Miami. I'm from India.
Yeah.
Have you heard a city called Bangalore?
No.
It is like the Silicon Valley of India.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name? Huh?
Jordan.
Jordan. Like Michael Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay. I always watch people. See, there's another person here. I cannot give much. I'll give you $1. I'll give you my number. But don't go smoke.
No.
You smoke marijuana? Huh?
No, I smoke cigarettes.
You smoke cigarette. Don't use it for cigarette. I can give you more. Okay. You have a mobile?
Yeah.
You have a WhatsApp on that? I'll take your number. I'll WhatsApp you. There was a person, homeless person taken like this in New York, and he was taught a small skill on how to use a computer. He became a millionaire.
Yeah.
I've seen that on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going something very important. You get a place where you get a free food also. Okay, then you have to take this $1. How can I have your number?
You can write yours down for me.
Huh?
You can write yours down?
Yeah, I'll write it down 1 second. My number is over here, the last one,
Alright.
ending with 661.
Gotcha.
Okay, that's an India number.
Alright.
You WhatsApp me on this. You read it this 2 times, you read it this side 2 times.
Alright.
Okay, you're good, you're not smelling.
No.
Okay, you look very young, and why do you do this? Okay, now if you WhatsApp me only, I'll contact you. What is your name you told? Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay, read this. Read it both this side. I'll give you more money.
Alright.
I'll give you more money. We'll meet for a cup of coffee.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, I'll buy you lunch
Thank you, man.
after you WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Okay. So this is in America. I see. Let me continue there further and talk. You read that completely 2 times. and WhatsApp me on that number. Okay. See, it's your luck. I came in the wrong road. I have to go that side. Okay, I went this side wrong. So I'll arrange for you free food. Okay, you have to read it 2 times and WhatsApp me. If you don't WhatsApp, I won't connect. See, for your luck, I came in the wrong road. I should go on the Target road. Okay, so Jordan, contact me, mention your Jordan. Okay, so in America, the land of opportunity, you will see like this stupid people dancing, and like this is going right now, good. Okay, and you'll see young guys like this, white guys. I'm the only fellow who walk in the center of the road until a police comes and catches me. Now I made a wrong route of going this side. See, from back side these cars will stop off. I went in a wrong direction. Now he's leaving right now. If it does not contact, it is his bad luck. Like I have a lot of people in Bangalore now, when I give them a business opportunity, they don't contact. I have to go in that route. Let me talk over there. So I did not. I should not go this route. I forgot. I should go from the other side. The Target is there. No, that route I have to go. This is a very beautiful place, and today being Christmas, everything is closed. This Target will be fully a rush. A lot of people will be there. This is called Miami Midtown. I had to go this side. And I feel very pity in the land of opportunity, in the land of America, people taking marijuana, sleeping on the road. If they are black people, I don't talk. I know that saying that also is wrong. Okay, but let me continue from there. All branded showrooms are here. All branded. So this place will be fully crowded place. But today it is empty because of Christmas. I had to go here. I crossed up to that road and met that Jordan, the homeless guy. Okay, everyone I don't help, you cannot help. There will be drunken people then making a marijuana and sleeping on the road in a nice park and all. I feel pity. So this is a place where Givenchy, Tom Ford, Louis Vuitton, Gucci and Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, everything is here. This is Abhinandan. So that's Louis Vuitton over there. That's Tom Ford. I go straight like this, I get the ISKCON Krishna temple, not ISKCON temple. Louis Vuitton. This is full Louis Vuitton showroom. Okay, and no people on the street today because of Christmas. So I can talk loudly. So from morning I got up very early. I think at 6:30 or 7 o'clock I started making calls for my business. I closed with 3 people. Okay, 3 people who joined. One was Girish, who paid $120. He's a 50-year-old. We know each other from last 50 years. And then I called my sister-in-law, Mahima. Then I was explaining to her the business, the digital business, instead of the health business. And then she told me Shivraj Kumar is there in Miami. He got admitted yesterday and he got the surgery done, and she told the doctor is a Kannadiga. Okay, so after I finish here, today is totally empty, this road. So from morning I was working, doing the registration and all till 2 o'clock. Then only I had my coffee at 2 p.m. afternoon, and then again I ate something, some tortilla like a wrap, and then I was sitting and working. Then I started searching from exactly 5 o'clock. I started searching for where this Shivraj Kumar is being admitted. Let me see. So I googled the doctor name. I found the hospital because the information in the Indian news channel and the website was they were telling Miami Hospital. There's no Miami Hospital. There's a Miami Cancer Institute in Baptist Hospital, a Christian hospital. But it's like a heavenly place. So here is Gucci here. This side is Philip Patek. This side is Tesla. I've already gone inside. See, for $299, $799, you can take home a Tesla. See, that is Tesla truck is only how much, you know? Today is closed, I think. $899. $899 it is there. And this is the Robo, which will do a lot of work for you. That's one car made in America. What exactly is this robo?
Pretty cool, huh?
It's cool. But what is this? What is that?
Robot.
What does it do?
Tesla bot.
Tesla bot.
Yeah, you can, in the factories and stuff.
Oh,
It's pretty cool.
very cool. It will be a good assistant.
Yeah, it will
Ah,
help. Exactly.
Okay. Would you like to share something for the video for Indian people?
To share what?
To share that it's a very good.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, guys.
Okay.
You can see the Tesla bots.
Yeah. Do you have a
The
test?
2023 model.
This is a
The
2023.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if they have a newer model, but it's pretty cool.
Okay. You have a Tesla car?
No, not me.
Yeah.
All right, India.
Thank you. Bye.
Go on. Thank you.
Welcome to India sometime. Okay. So I've already sat in a Tesla car in 2018. So after that, for 1 hour I did the research. Then I made a video for 50 minutes or something about the direction, place and all. Then I've eaten only one food, empty today, totally empty. Like as if there is no people, like COVID time. So I'll walk from here, another few minutes of walking, I get the Krishna temple. So 20 minutes I walk to get some good tasty food and pray to Lord Krishna that let everything go well. Everywhere Krishna is finding me. Lord Krishna is finding me in Richmond after the Akka event and there in Miami also. So I'll send that video to my friends in India and see whether someone can tell me whether I can go see Shivraj Kumar or Geeta Shivraj Kumar and help them if they need any help, or Kumar Bangarappa. Though some people will be there to help. So this is about 20 minutes walk. Like how Steve Jobs used to go 55 years ago for 1 meal per week. Yesterday 2 days I got terrible cold. Terrible cold I got because I ate Goa halwa of Spanish people from a Spanish South American market. Suddenly in 1 hour I got throat pain, cold, headache, fever, everything. 4 things came off in 1 hour time. See what a miracle it was. A day before yesterday, I went to the Krishna temple. They gave me some medicine. Some small bottle, 1 drop, I put it in water and drank, my cold stopped off. 90% it is gone. So yesterday I did not come out. See, little cough is there. Yesterday I did not come out. It was raining also. So from morning I was sitting and working and editing. So I thought, let me take a walk. It's about 6:45 or something right now. And 6:30 I left from my place. 7:15 is the Mangalarti or Aarti. So I'll have that, have some light, simple prasada and walk back and edit that video and see if I can send it to some news channel also if they want some information from me. Okay. So I'll become little famous. Okay. So I am in Miami. I came here on November 21st, 2024. I was there in Richmond for the Akka event earlier on August 29th, 30th for 2 months time preparing something to study the businesses here. Okay, very nice house. So Shivraj Kumar is about 18 miles from where I'm staying in South Florida, Kendall at Baptist Health Hospital. And I am at Miami Winwood. So maybe I'll go see. It's a very beautiful hospital, like heaven it is. Like one resort it is. So is it Lord Ganesha or what? A statue of that? Is it Lord Ganesha statue or front? I cannot see that properly. Maybe. Then see, like this, that white beggar, homeless person. They ruin their life because they smoke marijuana. He was not smelling. Marijuana smell was not there. Marijuana or ganja, whatever you call it. The smell was not there. But still, I could have given him $5 also. But I wanted to see whether he will contact me. I gave him a business card like thing. Okay. So Tomorrow I have to do some small donation to the temple. Go to the supermarket, buy some dahi or vegetables. It depends on them. So this is about 20 minutes walk from my place. I did not expect it, but I found it about 1 week ago accidentally. See, no one on the street. And today being Christmas, dogs also won't scream here. You're walking on that path, dogs won't scream. But Indian dogs, you walk in Indranagar or anywhere, they'll come and I walk in that path. Now I'm walking the center of the road, which is not correct. A police car going like this, they'll come and stop me. Okay, you have to walk there. But there when you're walking, dogs will be inside the house, they don't bark. What have they trained their dogs? I don't know. That side there's a nice park. So I have to reach 46th Street. This is 47th Street. This lady was a second devotee of Prabhupada in 1965. She's met Narendra Modi, done that radio interview with Narendra Modi. She's an artist like Ravi Verma. Really beautiful artist. I'll show when I go there inside. So I'm recording this for memories. Because you'll forget after 10 years when you see on YouTube, you'll be stunned. And anyone can watch also. So I am staying in 33rd Street in a room in a house. This is 47th Street. So I'm taking my water bottle also to carry water, Kangen water. Kangen healing antioxidant water, which they have the machine. Puneet Rajkumar did not take that machine. I came to know that before he's expired. Someone went and approached him from our company. They did not take it. Upendra has that machine. Many people in India has that water machine, healing water machine. But I came to know that Rajkumar family did not buy that machine. See, people sometimes neglect. They see the price and they neglect it. Okay. So even now I deal with a health device which is very good. Indian people mentality is they'll have a BMW car. For $1,000 they will think too much. I have taken 5 of those machines. Okay. I deal with health business, health devices, and also I'm doing my marketing. I have to do. Here in Krishna temple also they do their marketing. After giving singing, dancing and food, free food, they sell books and painting. Someone is working outside. This is a nice place. All these are disciples, devotees. I'll speak very directly. Very nice place. Good, you are doing some physical work. Very good.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I always record to show to my people. I walked and came from there, 33rd Street.
You're a neighbor.
I'm a neighbor now
Okay.
for another 1 month time.
Oh, okay. Nice.
What time the Mangalarti starts?
It starts at 5:30, bro.
Huh?
5:30 a.m.
No. Now at 7 o'clock they told.
Oh, but Mangalarti is
Not Mangalarti. What is that? Last puja?
no. The first puja is Mangalarti. The last puja is Sandhya.
Okay.
Goda Artik.
Okay.
Yes.
It's at 7 o'clock?
It's already done. No, it's at 7:15.
Okay. Is that also Tulsi?
These all these are Tulsis.
All this are Tulsi?
Yes.
See, here they have more Tulsi plants and they respect and they do puja
Every day.
every day. At 4:30 they get up. What time you get up and do the Tulsi puja?
The Tulsi puja is at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Yeah.
But you get up at 4:30.
Yeah, I wake up at 4.
Okay. So this is called a Sacred Vedic Hearts. Okay. Bhakti Yoga Cultural Center. I've done a lot of videos over here. Okay, this is the lady who must be What's the age of Srimati Shamrani? About 75? 78?
78, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Now let me go inside. It's a nice place. See, the lights will come automatically. Like Hare Krishna temple. They just wished me. Prabhupada. This is the Kengan water machine. To collect this water, I walk 20 minutes and come. To collect the water from this machine. Now they are doing all that bhajan, but I'll go here. I'll be careful. This painting was done in 1966 or something. Now I'm introducing, they're doing some work. Okay. Hare Krishna. I'll just take. Can I go like that? So, now I was telling about Shamrani, Srimati Shamrani. You can see there. This is for which day event? It's finished? Okay. So this is the lady who was a devotee of Prabhupada in 1966, 65-66. And this is with Hema Malini. This is with some politician. This is with the president. This is sitting with Narendra Modi. And they did the radio program. I do not know the date. This is the book. She's written a lot of books and a lot of paintings. This painting is done by her. Real painting, not print. This is print. But real painting I'll show you. I'm thrilled about this. You can see all this painting from years together. She's done her own paintings on canvas. Some of the famous ones are there. They are doing the bhajans. All these are paintings. Here you can see. I saw that more. If I open here like this, these are all paintings done by her. Yeah, this is the famous painting which is there installed in Vrindavan. It is over here. Okay, that's the original painting there. Then they make photocopies of the painting. So, this is a copy of it. No, this is a copy of it, but like this kind of painting, the original ones are there. But this is on a canvas only, no? This is
G-clay.
G-clay.
Yeah, it's like a canvas print.
Oh, canvas print. Okay. But the original ones are there outside. I'll just show you that. Srimati Shamrani has done all this meticulously, and this one is there in India. Okay. So I'll go sit there and do a little bit of. There was one more book I wanted to show. It is not here, which I got that book. Okay, and so I made other videos also. If you watch, you can see this. This also she's done. This a very beautiful photo painting. This is not the real one. The real one is outside. Okay, there are people there. So I am going to show you that also later. Let me go there and let me meditate for some time, and then I will sit inside.
How are you? You good?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine little
Oh,
today.
really? You took your medicine?
Yeah.
It's not as important as people bereft of association.
Yeah.
So these are all people praying.